keep watching for a 3-minute tutorial on how to do a reverse weave. Hi, I'm Samara in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm going to show you how to do this move here, which is called a reverse weave. This move is similar to the forward weave, but where that is thumb led, the reverse weave is pinky led. So let's first go over this move with the hoop in your right hand. Rotate your wrist clockwise so that your thumb is pointed to the ground. We have our hand on the outside of the hoop and we rotate so the thumb points to the ground like this. Next, follow the pinky and create X's across your body using your momentum to move the hoop from one side to the other. It's almost like a scooping motion in your wrist to get the pinky to point up before moving the hoop across your body again. Here the hoop's on our left side, pinky up, cross the body, scoop so the pinky is up, then cross the body, and repeat. It may be helpful to understand the forward weave prior to trying the reverse weave, so check out my tutorial on that if you need help learning that move. You can also work on changing your grip and having a more relaxed hand, and even have the hoop rotate around your thumb or fingers before continuing the move. Once you have it down with your right hand, let's try the move with your left hand. Hold the outside of the hoop in your left hand and rotate your wrist counterclockwise so that your thumb points towards the ground. Using your momentum, follow your pinky and cross the hoop from one side of your body to the other as you scoop your wrist so that the pinky faces the sky before you start the movement all over again and bring the hoop back to your left side. Practice this motion with a loose grip and try adding a hoop rotation or two around your thumb and your hand in between each weave. This can be helpful for future hoop tricks and transitions, especially with double hoops. Let's go over some transitions into and out of the reverse weave. You can start in a forward weave and allow the hoop to spin around your thumb as you turn your body and then move into a reverse weave. You can turn again as you allow the hoop to rotate on your thumb and move back into the forward weave. Let's go over that movement a few times. You can let the hoop spin multiple times as you first learn the transition between the two weaves, then work on reducing the amount of rotations to have a more fluid movement between the forward and reverse weaves. I lose my brain a little bit here, but eventually the next transition is to spin the hoop in your hand, toss it in the air, and then go right into a reverse weave. If you find yourself having trouble catching the hoop and immediately going into the reverse weave, try spinning the hoop in the opposite direction before the toss and see if that works better for you. Any moves you see in this video that I have tutorials on will be linked in the description below. And that's it. I personally love the reverse weave more than the forward weave and constantly use this move in my flow. Let me know if you found this helpful or want a tutorial on any other hoop trick. I truly appreciate your support. Bye.